Morning children. Today I am going to explain exercise 25. See the first Roman. Change into improper fractions. Change into improper fraction. Okay. Here they are asking to change the given fractions into improper fraction. Already you know that improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator. Okay. If it is greater or equal to the denominator, then those type of fractions are called improper fractions. Examples: 16 by 7, 7 by 7, etc. These are called improper fractions. Now we are going to convert the given here mixed fractions and they are asking to convert into improper. So already you know how to convert the mixed into improper. Multiply the denominator to the whole and add to the numerator. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. 32 by 5. See the second one. 4 3 by 7. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31 by 7. See the third problem. 9 11 by 15. 15 9s are 135. 135 plus 11 146 divided by 15. See the fourth one. 8 4 by 11. 11 8s are 88 plus 4 92 divided by 11. See the fifth one. 6 3 by 5. 6 3 by 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 33 by 5. Next one. 10 7 by 13. 13 10s are 130 plus 7 137 by 13. See the seventh one. 5 1 by 4. 5 4s 20. 20 plus 121 by 4. See the eighth one. 4 1 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 3. Ninth one. 12 1 by 2. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 by 2. 11 1 by 5. 11 5s are 55 plus 1 56 by 5. Okay, this is the method to convert mixed into improper fractions. So, how to convert into improper? By multiplying the denominator with the whole part and add to the numerator and write down the sum as the numerator and write down what denominator they given here. You have to write the denominator. Next, see the second Roman. Here they are asking to, they given improper and they are asking to change into mixed. Change into mixed fractions. Change into mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fraction means combination of whole and proper. Combination of whole and proper. Whole and proper. Okay, for example, 6 2 by 5, 1 2 by 3, etc. This. Observe here it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator less than the denominator and 6 is a whole part. This mixed fraction consists two parts. One is a whole part and another one is a proper part. How to convert that mixed fraction into, improper fraction into mixed? So you have to divide numerator with the denominator. What coefficient you get, write down as the whole part and remainder as numerator part and denominator as usual. See 60, 7 2s are 14, remainder is 2 by 7. 7 2s 14 plus 2 16 by 7. Okay. See the second one. 25 by 8. 8 3s are 24, remainder is 1. So the denominator as 8. You have to do in mind calculation. See the third one. 38 by 11. 11 threes are 33. Remainder is 5. 38 minus 33 is 5. So remainder is 5. Write 5 as numerator and 11 as denominator. 47 by 4. 4 11s are 44. 4 11s are 44. 47 minus 44, 3 divided by 4. See the fifth problem. 107 by 13. 13 8s are 104. Subtract 104 from 107. To get remainder is 4 divided by 13. Sorry, remainder is 3 divided by 13. See the sixth one. 121 by 10. 12 10s are 120. Subtract 120 from 121. Remainder is 1 by 10. See the seventh problem. 195 by 12. So already you know short divisions. 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 7. 75. 12 6s are 72. And remaining is 3. 3 by 12. See the eighth problem. 129 by 11. Okay, 11 ones are 11 and again 19. 11 ones are 11. Subtract 19 from 11, 8. 11 8 by 11. See the ninth problem. See the ninth problem. 281 by 13. 32s are 26 and remaining is 2. 21 it is. 31s are 13 and 21 minus 13 is 8. 8 by 13. See the 10th one. 125 by 10. See 12 10s are 120 and remainder is 5 divided by 10. So this is the method to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction into mixed fractions. Next go for exercise 36. Already you did these models in 4th class also in fractions chapter. Okay. See the next exercise 35. See here they are asking to insert the sign. So in whole numbers already you are very well in comparison of numbers. But in the case of fractions, how to compare the numbers? Comparison of numbers. See, observe here 3 cases are there. Case 1, denominators are same. Denominators are same. Okay. When denominators are same, those are like fractions. It is very easy to compare in the case of comparison of denominators are same. It is very easy. So, for example, 7 by 9 and 2 by 9. 7 by 9 and 2 by 9. Observe these two having the same denominators and the numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. Okay, na? Where the numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. Here 7 and 2 compare these two. 7 is greater, so that fraction is greater. Okay, in the case of denominators, you have to observe the numerators. You have to observe the numerators. Where the numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. In case 2, numerators are same. Numerators are same. In the case of numerators are same, you have to observe the denominators. For example, 2 by 9, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Here observe the numerators are same. We have to compare the denominators where the fraction in which the smallest denominator is the greater fraction. Here it is divided into 9 parts and it is divided into 3 parts. So you get this as more value. So it is more. Where the denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. Case 2. Other than these two cases, different denominators and numerators. Different denominators and numerators. Okay, na? Different denominators and numerators. In this case, you have to find the class products. For example, 3 by 5, 7 by 9. See, observe here denominators and numerators are different. In the case select the cross products. So here the cross product 3 into 9 and here it is 5 into 7. So it is 27, 35. Here 35 is more, so 7 by 9 is greater. We have to compare like that. See here in exercise 35 all the questions to compare the fractions. Okay, let's see the first question. 9 by 13, 12 by 11. 12 by 11. And one more case is there, every proper fraction is always less than the improper fraction. Here it is proper fraction, it is proper fraction and it is improper fraction. First of all you have to observe the type of fraction. Here the first fraction is proper fraction, second fraction is improper fraction. And improper fraction value is always less than 1, improper fraction value is always greater than or equal to 1. So this value is less than 1, this value is greater than 1, means every proper fraction is less than the improper fraction. Less than improper fraction. So it is improper, so it is greater fraction. See the second one. 7 by 10, 7 by 10, 3 by 5. Here the denominators and numerators are different. So you have to find out the cross product 35 and it is 30. So 35 is greater. You have to use greater symbol. 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 5. See the third problem. Third problem. 1 by 4, 1 by 3. 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Here observe the numerators are same. Where the denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. So you have to write this is greater. Okay na? See the 4. If greater side you have to write open symbol. Okay na? Open side. 6 by 11, 4 by 9, 7 by 10. 4 by 9, 7 by 10. Observe here these two are proper fractions and numerators and denominators are different. So you have to find the cross products. It is 40, it is 63. 63 is greater, so 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 10. 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 10. See the fifth problem. Fifth problem. 6 by 11, 9 by 10. 6 into 10, 11 into 9, 60, 99, it is greater. So 6 by 11 is less than 9 by 10. 6 by 11 is less than 9 by 10. See the sixth problem. 3 by 8, 9 by 16. 3 by 8, 9 by 16. 3 into 16, 8 into 9. So 63s are 48, 9 8s are 72. 72 is greater. So 3 by 8 is less than 9 by 16. See the seventh problem. 2 by 3, 3 by 7. 2 into 7, 14. 3 into 3, 9. So 14 is greater, so it is greater. See the eighth problem. 20 by 7, 12 by 17. Again you have to observe that it is improper fraction, it is proper fraction. It is improper fraction, it is proper fraction. So improper fraction is always greater than the proper fraction. So you have to use simple greater. Okay, go for the next problem. Ninth one. 7 by 13, 11 by 13. Here observe the denominators are same. In the case of denominators are same, where the numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. See the 10th one. 21 by 23, 20 by 11. Here observe it is proper fraction and it is improper fraction. Proper means numerator is less than the denominator. Improper means numerator is greater than the denominator. So improper fraction is always greater, so it is less than. It is greater, so you have to write less than symbol. See the 11th question. 19 by 33, 10 by 13. 10 by 13. Here different denominators and different numerators. Find find the cross products. 13 into 19, 10 into 30. 13 19 how much na? 190 57. So 7 14 247. It is 330. So it is greater. So 9 by 13, 3 is less than 10 by 13. So 10 by 13 is the greater fraction. See, observe the next problem. See the next problem. 12th one. 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 13 by 15, 13 by 15. Okay, na? 4 into 5, 15, 5 into 30. 4 15 how much na? 60. 5 13 how much? 65. So it is greater. 4 by 5 is less than 13 by 15. See the 13th problem. 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2, 11 by 2. Convert this 11 by 2 into mixed fraction. 2 5s are 10 and remainder 1, 5 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2 and 5 1 by 2. Here compare the whole parts. 5 is the greater, so that fraction is greater. See the 14th problem. 7 3 by 4, 7 3 by 4, 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2. 2 7s are 14, remainder 1 by 2. So 7 1 by 2. See here the whole parts are equal. Compare the proper parts. 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay na? See it is 6, it is 4. So 3 by 4 is greater, so this fraction is greater. Okay? So this is the method to compare the fractions. Okay na? So total 3 methods are there, and if you are if you are perfect in definitions, you have to apply the applications also. Every proper fraction is less than the improper fraction. Okay, see, when the case of denominators are same, where the numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. In the case of numerators are same, where the denominator is less, that fraction is greater. And other than these two cases, you have to use the method cross products. Okay, na? Bye children.